Hey guys, if you poured concrete and for whatever reason it didn't do good, didn't cure, or cured too much, too fast, too quick, too hot, whatever, too dry, as in my case, I poured it too dry on a hot day in the sun. It did not do good. I'm going to show you how to fix it, or at least make the appearance better. Nothing wrong with the concrete, it'll hold just as strong, it just looks ugly. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. It's another hot day, I got a fan running, so you just overlook the fan noise. I'm going to show you how I do it. I haven't done my sides yet, up to a certain point I have, but not here. I just mainly want to show you around the corners, the top. Hey guys, thanks for watching.